The adoption phase of the corporate life cycle model represents startup businesses that have recently launched or acquired new technologies, products, or business models. Companies in the adoption phase are working to establish their concept, gain initial customers, and build brand awareness. For startups in the adoption phase, corporate finance focuses on raising capital to fund early operations and growth. Founders may bootstrap their business using personal savings, take out loans, get lines of credit from banks, or crowdfund from investors. They aim to raise just enough capital to prove their concept and start building momentum. Real-world outcomes of the adoption phase include launching a minimum viable product to attract early adopters and solicit customer feedback, onboarding the first few key employees and contractors to help operationalize the business, generating initial revenue and customer traction to build confidence in the model and concept, positioning the company to pursue further funding from angel investors, venture capital firms, or private equity groups to fuel more rapid growth, laying the foundation for future financial management, forecasting, and performance metrics to gauge progress, establishing financial controls, staffing, partnerships, and resources to support more complexity as the company scales up. The financial focus remains narrowly on funding operations and proving out the concept. A careful management of cash, costs, metrics, and risks sets the stage for transitioning to faster growth. Startups in the adoption phase aim to build momentum for progressing to the next phase of the corporate life cycle model. Corporate finance plays a crucial role in the adoption phase of new technologies or business models. When companies decide to implement an innovative idea, they need to make significant investments to develop the necessary capabilities and infrastructure to adopt the new approach. These investments require capital that must be financed properly. Strong corporate finance expertise is needed to determine how much funding is required, evaluate financing options, optimize the financial impacts, and mitigate risks. Careful financial planning and management in the adoption phase can help ensure a smooth transition, control costs, and maximize the benefits of innovation. How a company structures and monitors the finances of new initiatives establishes a foundation for whether those initiatives can be successfully scaled and deployed across the organization. Robust corporate finance practices are essential to innovation and technology adoption. During the early adoption growth phase of a startup company, expenses tend to increase rapidly as the business scales to meet new demands. It is critical for startup leaders to keep a close eye on expenses and ensure they do not outpace revenue growth. Monitoring expenses carefully allows startups to make data-driven decisions about how to allocate limited financial resources most effectively. By knowing exactly where money is being spent, startups can optimize key metrics like marketing spend, research and development costs, talent acquisitions, and more. If expenses get out of control, startups risk depleting their funds prematurely and jeopardizing long-term sustainability. Startups often start with a limited pool of funds from investors and must make those dollars stretch as far as possible. Continuous financial planning helps startups understand how much money they have available and how long it will last under different growth scenarios. Some startups may have access to additional funding rounds, while others may need to achieve profitability and scale revenue quickly. Either way, startups survive and thrive by living within or below their means and not overspending their available budgets. Strong financial management also involves monitoring key metrics to detect any problems early. This includes tracking revenue growth, expenses versus budget, cash on hand, accounts receivable, accounts payable, capital equipment expenses, and profits and losses. If expense growth is outpacing revenue, costs are exceeding budgets, cash reserves are dwindling, or other metrics are trending in the wrong direction, it indicates adjustments are needed immediately to ensure financial sustainability. Corporate finance in the adoption phase includes the operational procedures required for managing a company's finances and using financial information to make key business decisions. The central activities in this stage encompass bookkeeping, financial reporting, accounting communication, cash flow management, and burn rate assessment. Bookkeeping entails accumulating and organizing financial data such as receipts, invoices, and bank statements. This data is utilized to generate financial reports that assist the company in monitoring its expenses, revenue, and assets. Developing financial documents such as balance sheets and income statements to display the financial well-being of the company is also advisable. Communication with accounting involves transferring financial information to an outsourced accounting firm regularly. This data is employed to prepare financial statements and furnish recommendations regarding financial matters. For maximum accuracy, the startup needs to guarantee that all financial details are properly recorded and conveyed to the accounting service provider. Cash flow monitoring assesses the timing of anticipated cash inflows and outflows, while burn rate analysis calculates how rapidly the company is using its cash reserves. These activities are vital for ensuring the company maintains adequate cash to meet its requirements. Here, predictions can also be made about future cash flows to anticipate potential shortfalls or surpluses. Corporate finance in the adoption phase is leveraged through spreadsheet tools and accounting platforms. Founders collaborate closely with external accounting specialists to guarantee that financial information is compiled, organized, and forwarded to accounting regularly. Spreadsheet software such as Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets is indispensable for startups in the adoption phase. These tools enable entrepreneurs to organize, analyze, and visualize financial data, which aids in decision-making and planning. Startups can create detailed budgets and forecasts to allocate resources, identify potential risks, and develop strategies to achieve their financial goals. Budgets and forecasts help startups determine if they have enough funds to cover expenses and work towards their key objectives. By tracking income and expenses, startups can monitor their cash flow and ensure they have sufficient funds to cover operational costs and support growth. Cash flow management enables startups to understand their short-term liquidity and long-term financial sustainability. Spreadsheet software allows startups to compare actual results with projections, identify trends, and evaluate the effectiveness of their strategies. Performance analysis helps startups determine what is and is not working so they can make data-driven decisions to optimize their operations and financial performance. Startups can use spreadsheet software to model various scenarios and assess the potential impact of different decisions on their financial performance. Scenario planning helps startups evaluate alternatives and choose a path that will lead to the greatest likelihood of success while minimizing risks. Accounting software such as QuickBooks or Xero is essential for startups in the adoption phase as it automates financial processes and provides real-time insights into their financial health. By automating tasks such as invoicing, expense tracking, and payroll, accounting software reduces manual work, minimizes errors, and saves valuable time and resources. Automation allows startups to focus on high-priority activities instead of repetitive admin work. Startups can generate accurate financial statements such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to assess their financial position and make informed decisions. Robust financial reporting provides startups with a transparent view of their assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses, profits, cash balances, and key metrics. Accounting software helps startups stay compliant with regulations and manage their tax obligations by tracking income, expenses, and tax deductions. Compliance and tax management enables startups to avoid legal trouble and maximize their profits by taking advantage of deductions and credits they legitimately qualify for. Startups can integrate their accounting software with other business tools, such as CRM, inventory management, and payment processing systems, to streamline their operations and gain a holistic view of their financial performance. Integration creates a centralized, connected system that simplifies work processes and provides valuable insights across different functions. In summary, for startups to thrive during the growth phase, they must integrate proven financial management practices from larger companies. By harnessing the capabilities of spreadsheets and accounting software, startup founders can gain crucial insights, make strategic choices based on facts, and refine their financial systems, which will strengthen their company's chances of success. In the adoption phase, the company founders are primarily responsible for a startup's corporate finance. While external support may be enlisted, founders maintain oversight of financial operations. In the early stages of a startup, founders assume responsibility for financial activities and decision-making. They handle bookkeeping, budgeting, financial analysis, and communicating with accounting partners. Founders are also typically tasked with fundraising and courting potential investors. Many startups leverage external accounting services like bookkeeping firms or certified public accountants to supplement their finance functions. These partners provide expertise in areas such as tax planning, financial reporting, auditing, and compliance, allowing startups to focus on key business priorities while ensuring sound financial management. While founders maintain responsibility for finance, external support provides guidance and additional resources to meet the complex requirements of corporate finance, especially in the adoption phase of a startup. With a shared understanding of roles and responsibilities, founders and their accounting partners work together to build a sound financial foundation for business growth. In conclusion, corporate finance plays a crucial role in enabling the successful adoption of new technologies and business models by startups. Strong financial management is essential to determining funding requirements, evaluating auctions, optimizing impacts, and mitigating risks. Careful monitoring of expenses, knowledge of available funds, early detection of issues, and robust processes for bookkeeping, accounting communication, cash flow management, and burn rate assessment establish a foundation for scalable innovation. Spreadsheet software and accounting platforms facilitate implementation by allowing startups to organize, analyze, and gain insights into their finances. Their founders maintain oversight. External support may be enlisted to supplement capabilities. Accounting partners help ensure financial information is compiled, organized, and communicated properly. Robust corporate finance practices, from planning to monitoring to optimization, are key to startups navigating the complex adoption phase and implementing innovative ideas effectively and sustainably. By managing finances rigorously, startups can adopt new approaches smoothly, control costs diligently, and maximize benefits substantially. Corporate finance execution is absolutely essential for startups seeking to adopt new technologies and business models successfully and profitably. Strong finance functions provide the fiscal foundation and discipline enabling innovation at scale. That brings us to the end of this video. This video lesson is part of my financial course that you can gain access to by visiting the link in the description. Also, make sure to check out my website for more great tutorials and courses. That brings us to the end of this video. This video lesson is part of my financial course that you can gain access to by visiting the link in the description. Also, make sure to check out my website for more great tutorials and courses. I hope that you have enjoyed it and learned something new along the way that will aid you in your journey into finance or starting your own business. If so, please leave a like and subscribe if you have, as well as to get notified of any future videos. Oh, and make sure to check out this video as well. You can also subscribe over here. And this one is pretty cool too.